You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is originally from French, but also used in English. It's been borrowed from French in English. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations of different foods, including from French, stay tuned. Cuisine. This is the name of a red in English. Cerise. There are two different pronunciations in English. It comes from French cerise, so it's a cherry red. Looks like a bit more purple than a red. Cerise. The stress on the re syllable, or cerise. Now the French pronunciation is cerise with a Z sound indeed, alright? So I guess if you want to make it sound more like the French, it should be a Z sound. But in English, two pronunciations are used and exist and are correct, both at the same time. Cerise or cerise. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.